Baba Ghanoush, a appetizer from Albania. Serves 2. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Heat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Place whole eggplant on a baking sheet and bake until the outer shell is crisp and the inside is soft and mushy, about 1 hour. Step 3. Let the eggplant cool, then remove and discard the skin and the green cap. Spoon the inside into a food processor or a blender. Step 4. Add garlic, tahini, salt, lemon juice and yogurt. Puree until creamy. Step 5. Spoon into a serving dish and garnish with olive oil and whole olives. Serve cold or warm, with sliced pita bread or vegetables for dipping. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.